Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a beautiful card. First, let's gather our essential supplies. You'll need good quality cardstock, a sharp pair of scissors, and reliable adhesive. Don't forget to pick out some fun decorative elements like stickers, glitter, or ribbon to personalize your creation. A scoring tool can also make a big difference for perfectly crisp folds. Now that you have your materials, it's time to think about design. Planning your card's layout beforehand saves time and ensures a polished look. Use a ruler to achieve perfectly straight lines and even spacing for your elements. Don't be afraid to experiment with various color combinations and textures to make your card truly unique and visually appealing. With your design in mind, let's move on to assembly. Apply adhesive sparingly to prevent any wrinkles or messy excess on your card. When layering elements, start with the largest pieces and work your way down to the smallest for a beautiful sense of depth. Finally, add your embellishments last to give your card that perfect, professional finishing touch. To truly make your card special, personalize it. Write a heartfelt message inside that speaks directly to the recipient. You might even consider adding a small, personal photo for an extra touch of charm and memory. Remember to check the description for a link to grab Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Your thoughtful, handmade card will surely bring a smile to someone's face.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.